Hey everybody, Ginger here. So you're on my mind today, and there's so much about you that I'm curious about. Are you willing to share with me what your biggest challenges are? Are you willing to share with me what's bugging you? Are you willing to share how I can help you? What are your questions around connectivity? What do you want to know? Here's an example. Whenever I go speak, whenever a client has secured my services for speaking, I then start serving. And I send videos, I ask questions, I ask them to send questions to the audience who will be in the room because I really want to know what they're thinking. What are their challenges? What's bugging them? What's on their mind? How will I be able to best serve them? That's why you're on my mind this morning. I really want to know how to serve you better. What are your questions about connectivity? What are you good at? What are you struggling with? What do you want me to share about? What do you want me to find out about and share about you forward? I'm finding some popular questions like, well, Ginger, I'm an introvert. How do I connect? I've covered that before. I will cover it again. Vert status has nothing to do with connectivity. Anybody who wants to connect can. I've heard that people say that they don't know what to say. And great, communication is a huge part of connectivity. I want to help you with that. Tell me what specifically you need help with. What is the challenge in front of you? I had somebody tell me, I've been in this role, this executive level role for a couple of years, and I realized I never connected with my people. How do I do that? Oh, that's gold, my friends. That's what I want to help you with. I'm up early most days because my mind starts running and I'm thinking of how do I serve you better? What don't I know that I can give you? So if you would do me a huge favor today and tell me what's on your mind, tell me what you want to know. How can I help you? What questions do you want to know? This isn't a sales pitch. This is genuine desire to know what do you want to know about connectivity and how can I answer those questions and provide you some guidance and some insight and move that forward so we can share with everybody. Do I want to work? Yeah, of course I want to work. I love to speak, give workshops, trainings, coaching, those kinds of things. That's not what I'm asking for right now. I'm asking for you to tell me what's on your mind, what's bugging you, how can I help you? What are the specific questions, what are the specific challenges you run into that you have that I can help you with connecting. Connecting, remember, is creating and developing relationships with one person at a time, creating meaningful relationships, connections to move the needle, to change the world in doing your work and being you. Let me know what those challenges are for you, and I will address them all in coming months and weeks and so forth on different platforms. Let me know. I can keep your questions anonymous. I can publicize them if you like, but I will ask the questions publicly and I will answer the questions publicly. So tell me what your challenges are. I would love to be able to help you. Connecting is only effective when we share, and I want to share first by knowing what you need and then sharing in return. So perhaps a slightly different video today, definitely a different video today. But you're on my mind. I want to serve. Let me know how I can help you with connecting, because it is a great day when you learn how to connect, and it's a struggle sometimes if we're not sure. Let me be the one to help you. It'd be my honor to do so. Thanks.